Thanksgiving math. It's going to be due on Friday. Maybe I'll have you turn in a little bit on tomorrow, like take pictures. But what I'm going to do right now with you is I'm going to go over each page so you understand what is being asked of you, and then you can decide what page to start on. So right now we're all going to go through each page one at a time, and then Dylan, you're going to go back and start on one. Okay? Whatever you want. Okay, everybody open it up. Little book. Okay. Now, first one is a logic puzzle. So, can you figure out the value of each picture? So, we have a turkey plus a turkey is equal to 24. So, Juliana, what would one turkey equal? Talero?
Yes.
What is it?
12.
12. Because what's 12 plus 12?
24.
Okay, so now for this page, you know that the turkeys will always equal 12. And then you can figure out, okay, what is the pi plus this? Okay, so you use logic. All right, now let's jump to page 2. Stop what you're doing. We're going here. We're just going over directions. This one's just simple graph. You're going to connect as you go. All of these are connected in order. So first you go this way, then you connect it to this one, then you go straight down, then you connect it to this one, okay? And it's going to create a picture. Now remember, at one student second period, this one goes number 1. This one goes first. So you go here, and then you go up and put a dot. So go this way and then up, okay? Remember that graphing? Okay, so turn the page. Yes?
On the graph one, it says that it's 16.5 and you put it in
Like in the middle, yeah. Okay, colorful math. Simplify each expression, then color each space according to your answer. So this is order of operations, like parentheses first, multiply, divide, and then at the last thing is add and subtract. And then you're going to color it based on this part. Look, I already colored it green for you. You're welcome. Okay. 1863 equations, next page. Thanksgiving was officially declared a national holiday in the United States in 1863. Insert math symbols so that each equation is true. You can use the following symbols as many times as you want. So you're going to put a plus, minus, multiply, divide, parentheses in any order to make these true. I'll do the last one for you. So the last one, I'm going to take these numbers and make it equal to 5. Here's one way. I'm going to put parentheses around the 1, 8, and 6. Then I'm going to add all the numbers inside, and then you're going to tell me what to do with the 3. Okay, he says subtract. Okay, what's 1 plus 8 plus 6? 15. And I have the 3, and I need it to equal 5. So I'm going to put a division. So does 15 divided by 3 equal 5? Yeah, so I have to figure that out. I have to figure out how do I use parentheses, add, subtract, multiply, and divide to make it equal to these numbers. It's trial and error. It's kind of just guessing, trying to figure it out. There's no one way of doing it other than using the old brain. All right, next page.
That's a lot.
We got 3 days. Another logic puzzle. But do you guys see how you still have a turkey here? It's not the same turkey as the other page. So it's not 12. It's a chicken now.
Where? Chicken.
Okay? So some of my kids thought like, oh, well, if on the other page it was 12, it must be 12 here. It's not. I would suggest starting on this row for this one. Okay? Okay, you keep it to yourself. I'm not giving this one out. I would start on this row to figure out what the turkey is on this page. All right, then we have another graph. But guess what? I just realized first period, it's the same picture. So you don't have to graph it twice. You can pick one. If you want to do the 4-quadrant one, or if you want to do the 1-quadrant one, you pick the graph that you want. It is the same picture. Okay, next page.
What?
We have 3 days. We're going to skip this page.
Yay.
I haven't taught it to you, but guess who has? Your 6th grade teacher. But I'm sure you all remember how to do it.
Oh, yeah.
I did this for Christmas and I forgot the whole thing.
All right.
30
Okay, thankful ratios. This was actually really easy. In 6th grade, you guys learned about ratios. It's actually a pretty easy concept. Okay, number one. I'm going to do the number one ratio with you. Ratio of turkeys to pears. So how many turkeys are there in the array? 2. So you're going to write the number 2. 2. And how many pairs are there?
Oh, it's so easy.
3. So you would write 2, 2, 3. That's a ratio.
Oh, I get it, yeah.
Yeah, from 6th grade. So there's 2 turkeys, there's 3 pairs, so you write it 2, 2, 3. That's called a ratio when you're comparing. You can put the 2 dots instead. Okay? Falling leaves. This one is true or false. Color each leaf with a true statement yellow and color each leaf with a false statement red. So let's look at the first leaf. Basically, right here where my finger is at, is the alligator eating the bigger number?
Yes.
Yes? So this one would be true, and you can color it yellow if you want. So is it true or false, basically? Okay? All right. And the last one, fraction food. Kind of like the ratios, but not. Okay, half the turkeys. How many turkeys are there in the picture? 2. But I just want half of that. So how many is half of 2? 1. So you have 2 turkeys. Give me half. You give me 1.
Yay.
Okay? And then the last part, which is the most important part.
Thankful thoughts.
Thankful thoughts. I am thankful for these people.
Oh, everyone.
Miss J. I am thankful I can
She didn't put us.
do Alex. I'm thankful I can do Alex. I'm thankful I know math.
Aw.
I am thankful I have math homework.
I'm thankful I know inequality.
I can show gratitude by doing my homework.
Or Alex.
Thankful people I'm thankful for.
I'm thankful I am in Miss Lamali's class.
For real. What? I'm thankful I am.
Weren't you all going to write this?
Sure.
1, 2. That's so
I wouldn't put
relatable.
us for people I'm thankful for, but it's okay.
Okay, Miss J and period 3.
Yay!
And period 3.
Your other classes.
Now,
I'm going to post it. They're going to be all math. They're going to be all math.
I am mid people.
Oh, you guys are going to get mad. This is what I wrote second period.
Nope.
I am thankful for these people, period 2. And I
Wow,
wrote a little
sorry,
heart.
Miss J.
I wrote a little heart. I'm sorry. Oh.
She's our opposite.
Not bad. Facts. Facts.
She's not Miss
Facts.
Maddie, you're the opposite now. You're our opposite. Yeah.
Opposition.
Aw, don't make her cry, guys. She's gonna turn into sadness in that corner.
You give him a test.
All right. So you can start on any page. We're gonna be working on these for a couple of days. It is a modified day, so pick a page. If you feel like you don't understand one page, ask us. We'll clarify, and then